This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and the Becker Business Podcast. Two different podcasts we'll bring you. Today's discussion is Tesla tanks again. So here's a few things that are going on with Tesla. The first thing is their stock jumped a lot last week on the launch of their auto taxi service in Austin. And in the long run, their ability to get out in front of the auto taxi business might, quite frankly, be the saving grace of Tesla. They sort of got themselves in trouble from a political standpoint, where so many cities and states are going to be careful about doing business and giving them permits and licenses just because of Elon's frontal assault on American politics. And I'm an Elon Musk fan, so don't take that the wrong way. But again, the auto taxi stuff led them to to real gains last year, what they call the robo-taxi, huge gains. Now what's happened this week is nothing short of a disaster. The sales of their core business, their core cars, Tesla is just getting the two of the headlines this morning, and I'll give you the headlines because it tells the story better than I can tell it. What's next for Tesla as its European demand evaporates? That's out of Yahoo Finance. Second story, again, from Yahoo Finance. We'll just stick with Yahoo Finance this morning. Tesla stock slides as European sales in May drop for the fifth straight month. So what's really happening, Tesla, in terms of selling Teslas, at least abroad, is having its lunch eaten, and it's not doing that well locally or in China either, as people, for all kinds of reasons, the bloom is off the rose on Tesla, even though it's probably the most advanced or the deepest in the electric car market. So that is fascinating to watch. But what you're watching here is, on one hand, Tesla streams ahead with the robo-taxi launch. On the other hand, it gets crushed as the demand for its core cars, it gets crushed itself. I think fascinating to watch. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Again, text Scott Becker anytime, 773-766-5322. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast.